How to select multiple photos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can select multiple photos on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to select multiple photos on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch the TikTok app, all you have to do is just tap on the plus icon that you can see from the bottom and just tap the upload tab. Now let's say that you have multiple photos over here and then you're not being able to select them and only select one photo. At the very bottom you might have missed something that says select multiple. So only when you select this option called select multiple, you can select as many photos as you like that are on your playlist, and then you can tap the next option and then choose to upload those photos. This way you can select multiple photos on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.